Hey Charm Squad, this is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing such a fun tutorial, y'all. We are going to be doing, or rather painting, Miss Jessica Rabbit from Who Framed Roger Rabbit. Now, with love in the air and Love Month coming up, I really wanted to showcase one of my favorite movies in a darling nail set made using Madam Glam. So let's get into all of the magic. And we will also be featuring colors from the brand new February collection. Can anyone take a guess on how many Madam Glam gels it took to complete this set? I'll give you a moment. You can guess down below. And I'm going to give you the list right here. So the gorgeous background is actually a brand new color from Madam Glam's Amour tints called Loyal. Now what I love about Loyal is that it has hints and undertones of pink. It has such a soft blush, but it is still such a gorgeous off-white. So it was absolutely the perfect background to make Miss Jessica Rabbit stand out. Now we also used one of the new colors called Lilac Lace for the gorgeous eyeshadow on Miss Jessica. We also hooked her up with some Purplelicious from Korea, y'all, to make sure that there was just the most stunning ombre. So the full list of colors is Lilac Lace, Loyal, Purplelicious, Casino, Boston is Calling, Perfect Black, Beantown, Smelly Cat, Rudolph, Sunset in Florida, Perfect Red, Live Colourfully, Perfect Orange, One Way Ticket, No Wipe Top Coat, Base Coat, and White UV Gel Paint to complete all of the magic. We also have honorable mentions from GlowTips. I used Just Believe and Oasis of Love. Also Be Kind. So all of these gorgeous polishes together made beautiful Jessica Rabbit come into fruition. And I love her. She is absolutely so darling. So for those of you who guessed, there was a total of 18 Madam Glam products used today. And I was just so in love with how everything came together. And I really hope that I did Miss Jessica justice, because I think she turned out so very darling. Now the rest of this is going to be a watch me work, and I'll be in towards the end, but this is going to be a series because I was so inspired by the brand new collection from Madam Glam called Amour tints. I wanted to do a set inspired by and just really have Miss Jessica as the shining star of the piece. I cannot wait to get into all of the rest of the tutorials, including Roger Rabbit himself, and all sorts of beautiful love hearts. This set is going to be jam-packed with so much magic, but you're going to have to stay tuned to see. Now, I have one more question before I head out. Is there any nail art you'd like to see on this channel? Or any characters you'd like to see me do? Please comment down below. The rest of this will be a watch me work, and I will be right back towards the end. Thank you so much for coming in to today's tutorial, and I cannot wait to see you tomorrow for Roger Rabbit. Happy Love Month, y'all!